Hey you guys, so welcome back to our Ipsy Showdown. Today we are going to be unboxing a bunch of Ipsy products here. I've got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, 2 Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses, and 1 Ipsy Glam Bag. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. I'm sure so many of you guys know I used to do these all the time here on my channel. I did take a break for a while from doing these just because I was getting a little bit bored. I wasn't super into it. So we are back at it though. We're going to be doing some unboxings here on my channel today and just seeing what's going on in the Ipsy world, seeing what they've got going on for their October bags. So if you guys are excited to see what's inside of our Ipsy bag, then let's get to this. Just a little FYI for you guys, I do have timestamps down below in my videos. I started posting those because I feel like they are very helpful for a lot of people if there is something you guys want to see in particular. So always check in the description box if you guys want to see timestamps. But we're going to start off with my box. So I do have 2 Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses and 1 Ipsy Glam Bag. So I wanted to start off with mine, which is the one that I pay for. It smells so good, you guys. I don't know what's in here, but I don't know, it smells like an herbal tea. I don't know. But here's the bag. It says Your Magic, and then on the back side it says Ipsy, and then it has this little print or graphic on it. So let's go ahead and open this up. I do see a card, so I do want to start with that. The first thing I see here, so it says Let's Get Social, has some information. This month's theme is hashtag Ipsy Magic. It says Your Magic. All right, first item is here is the Cali E. It is the Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. I don't know, I'm looking at this and I'm wondering if this might be too abrasive. My skin is super sensitive. I don't know if it's with the dry air or what's going on, or wearing like a face mask all the time, but my skin is so freaking dry. And so I've had to like nix so many cleansers that have any sort of fragrance because it stings my skin. Like the other day why can't I open this? The other day I was trying out the Kylie Cosmetics cleanser and I don't know what happened, but my face started stinging when I was using that. But I'm like looking at these coffee bean scrubs and I'm like, I'm a little bit nervous to use this. Oh, it's not that abrasive. I don't know why, but it said apricot seed and for some reason I immediately thought of St. Ives scrub. But the coffee or the flakes that are in here are very thinly milled. So I don't feel like it's abrasive. It would be abrasive at all. Yeah, you can barely feel it. Ooh, this is like my 4th one. So this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant. Oh wait, no, I thought this was mascara. Brilliant Eye Brighter Highlighting Stick. I have the shade Aurora. It says it's a rose gold shimmer. Ooh. Really pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You know what, let's pop some on the nose, shall we? I'm using my viewfinder, so that's why I'm staring at you guys funny. I like it. All right, next up I have is by Trestique. This is the Define Sculpt and Set Brow Pencil. So here you have it. If you guys have had Trestique products, it's got that typical like crayon packaging. I will say that I think it's really cute that they keep this packaging. I like it. I think it's different. But here it is. It's got a triangle tip packaging to it. And then it said that if you pulled out the bottom, I think the spoolie, oh, it's a brow gel. Oh, look at how pigmented that is. Whoa. I might actually try this. I thought it was going to be super waxy, but it is not as waxy as I thought it would be. I actually will give this a shot. Definitely try it out and see what it's like because it looks like it would be a good one. Like it's not too waxy, but it's not too tough, if that makes sense. So it's like right there on that nice medium that you want. All right, next up I have is this pretty little box. It says it is Nature's Cartel. Oh, hello. Okay. Colourpop packaging, why don't we? So you've got 3 shades that come in it. So that there is Champagne Scandal. This actually would make like a really pretty base because it's like already super pigmented. I wonder what this base would look like if I used this and then like my Pat McGrath shadows on top of it. Oh, that would be bomb. That's Champagne Scandal right there. The center one you have is called 90s Nude. And then the last one, the darkest, is Tan Line from Tahiti. Well, I'm gonna leave this on my hand because I wanna know if it dries down. But I would use this as like a really pretty base if it doesn't die down. I'm not really into those bomb like eyes, you know, where they like create those eyeshadow looks that are very like wet looking. That's not my style, but I'm gonna keep this on my hand. I wanna see if this dies down. Last thing I have in here is this box. Ooh, this is the Tarte. We have the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. Absorbs oil, mattifies, blurs, bakes, and sets. I don't know that I've tried this before. What shape is this? Translucent Tan Deep. I want to know how dark this is, because if you see this, this might be a little too dark for me. Like, how translucent is this? So there's like a mesh netting that goes across it. I don't have very many things that actually have like a mesh netting. Normally it's, the only other one I have, I think, is that Becca one that like is like wet, but then it dries down. I don't think this is gonna work on me. No, there's no way. Look at how dark that is. I'll give it a shot, but you see how dark that is? Like, that is way too dark for my skin right now. You know what though? Maybe it would work as like a bronzer, like to set my cream bronzer. Mind blown. That is my bag that I paid for, and that was what, $25? So let's dive into the box. Ipsy was kind enough to send me a Ipsy box, and the box has quite a bit of stuff in it, but I noticed that it had like the Ipsy Glam Bag and then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I want to show you guys what's inside. So let's start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you just have the Glam Bag itself, which looks exactly like the drawstring bag, except it's in a zippered pouch, which I think I like this way more. I like it. Look at it's got the little moon and the star right there. I like this bag a little bit more. But let's open it up. Let's see what they sent. So the first thing that they sent over is the Sunday Riley. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This has 6.5% powerful blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts from the skin. I have used this before. I used this like right around the end of last year, beginning of this year, and I saw a nice difference in my skin. It just looked a lot brighter. My scarring was turning over a lot quicker. Everything about my skin just looked so much better, so I totally recommend this. The thing in this bag is the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil Control Primer. I actually have not tried this one. You guys let me know down below if you've tried this, what your thoughts are. Next thing I have here is by Bobbi Brown. This is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. Okay, let's give this a shot. What is this? I honestly, from the back of the packaging, I thought it was the Covergirl Exhibitionist Mascara. Oh, ooh, look at that one. Very nice. Let's apply a little bit. A little bit of a strong smell, but not too bad. It's like the first thing I do with mascaras is smell them, because some of them I feel like they have such a strong like scent to it, and it like almost stings my eyes. You ever get that? But I'll give this a shot and let you guys know. I have been going through mascaras like crazy. In my empties video that's coming up here soon, you guys will see how many mascaras I've gone through. The last thing I have in here is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. This is the Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Now we're moving on to the other one, which is the other Glam Bag Plus. Let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm gonna obviously pull out this thing right here. This is the first thing I see. I have seen something from this brand because I've received something, and I think they're makeup brushes. I just don't remember what. I freaking love this brand's brushes. I have something from this brand. Where is it? I think it's upstairs. I can't find it, but there's a brush that I love from this brand. First thing I have in here is the Tapered Face Brush, which I'm like looking at and I'm like, oh, this is so nice to dust off powder. There is this buffer thing right here. It's a little short and stubby. This next one I have is the Contour Blending, which again looks like this. It's a little bit softer, but it's supposed to be for contour. Oh. And then this last one, the last one I have is the Flat Angle, which has a little bit of a dip in it. This is like perfect if you have like, I like to use it personally for like cream bronzers, and I'll kind of just like, you know, add it on. Next up I'm moving into is this right here, which is the Filorga Laboratories. This is the Oxygen Glow for Eyes. It's a super smoothing radiance eye care. It looks like it's eye cream. Yeah, it's eye cream. Revives, moisturize, and illuminates. Next up I have is another box. Oh, shoot. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder by Ciate London. Ooh, Ciate London. You guys, this is like my third one now of these. If you guys have watched my other unboxings, you may have remembered me talking about this product. I don't like this product. There's something about this product, it just does not work for my mask. It doesn't work for me. Like, it really breaks up my makeup a lot. It looks very, it just doesn't look nice and smooth underneath my eyes. It breaks up. It like makes these little like dots all underneath my eyes, and then it's got like a really strong flashback whenever I take pictures with it. It just looks very white and stark underneath my eyes. I just wasn't a huge fan of this. I actually got Ciate London in my other box, and I got their palette, and that's really good. I've been playing around with it so far, and their mascara. That mascara, you guys, that XXL mascara or something, it is so freaking good. Okay, so we have another brush, and this is by Firma Beauty. This looks like it would be perfect to blend out concealer. I've actually been looking for like a good brush to use to blend out concealer, and that there looks like it would be the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Then I have this little eyeshadow quad. This is by the brand Illuminati, and it is their quad palette in the shade Enlightened. So there you have it. So here are some swatches of the palette. I have one more product. Ooh, this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I actually own this one already. This is what mine looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen them. They've been around for a little bit now. I really do like this one. I think this one works so nicely during like the fall time, or if you like really nice deep shades of cranberry, this is a good one. But because I already have it, I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside for a giveaway. Let me know down below if you guys are still getting Ipsy, or if you canceled, put them on hold for a little bit, or if you have the Glam Bag Ultimate, I also wanna know what's inside that box. I wanna know if it's good. If it's good, if I need to go back to it, or if I'm good with just where I'm at. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, because I do have a couple of hauls coming up pretty soon, and I'm very excited to showcase it with you guys, because they are holiday haul sets. So that is coming here very soon. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Also, if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, just make sure you hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you guys are notified. And if you haven't seen any of these videos, make sure to check them out. They are some of my newest videos. I just did the Pat McGrath holiday palette review. So if you haven't seen the new Pat McGrath holiday palette, make sure to check it out, see if it's something that should be on your Christmas list. And if you are looking for any other unboxings for the month of October that you haven't caught up on, I will link one down below. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.